In this video, I will show you how to fix airplane mode on Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to make sure is that you have completely come out of Monopoly Go. Now, once you've done that, you want to open up the Play Store or of course the App Store if you're on an iPhone, and you want to go ahead and search for Monopoly Go in the store. Now, the first thing you want to check is that you do have the latest version of Monopoly Go on your device. So if there's any updates available, the blue play button here is going to say update. So you want to update your Monopoly Go app and then try again to use the airplane mode, and that should hopefully fix the problem. So if you've tried that but the airplane mode is still not working, then the next thing you can try is actually clearing your cache and data. So to do that, you want to go into your app settings. So you want to go ahead and open up the settings on your device, and from here you want to look for the Monopoly Go app. So what you can do, if you have a search box like me, you can go ahead and use the search icon and just go ahead and type apps into the search box. If you don't have a search icon, it's generally under General Management, so you want to go into the General Management section and then press onto Apps. And you should see the apps option here, so you want to press onto apps. And this is going to bring up all the apps installed on your device. So all you need to do from here is scroll down until you get to Monopoly Go. And once you've found Monopoly Go, just press onto the app itself. And once you press onto this, you'll be taken to the app info screen. Now from here, you want to scroll down slightly until you see storage, press on storage, and at the bottom, you're going to see two options for clear cache and clear data. So what you want to do is clear the cache and clear the data. And once that's done, you can open up Monopoly Go again and see if you are able to use airplane mode. Now, if that's still not working for you, the final fix I could recommend is to try reinstalling Monopoly Go on your device. So you can uninstall and reinstall Monopoly Go. But if that's still not working for you, chances are the airplane mode could be patched. So at the time of recording, the airplane mode is still working. But if you're watching this in the future, it could be a chance that Monopoly Go have actually fixed this and you're no longer able to use airplane mode. But with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.